BESTEK Advantage, America's #1 power inverter brand on Amazon. Provides 150 watts continuous DC to AC power and 360 watts of peak power. DC to AC inverter. Transform the voltage from District of Columbia 12V to AC 110 volts. The AC outlet and 3.1A dual USB charging ports ideal for powering laptops, tablets, smartphones, power bank and other electronic devices. Convenient and easy to use, directly plug in any 12-volt cigarette lighter socket and easy to adjust with its pivoting head. Multi-protection. Built-in cooling fan and auto-shutdown keep your devices and car from overheating, overloading, low load, short circuit, low voltage and over voltage. What you get. BESTEK 150W Power Inverter, Welcome Guide, our 18-month free replacement. Top reviews from the United States. Helpful. It is nice to have something that charges quickly and you can actually use a USB or regular plug on it. My hubby loves it.